Little Kids TV.
Hello, kids! Today, we're going to learn all about taking care of our furry, feathery, and scaly friends in Pet Care 101. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Choosing the right pet. First things first, choosing the right pet is super important. Do you want a playful puppy, a cuddly kitten, or maybe a colorful fish? Each pet has different needs. Make sure to pick one that fits your lifestyle and home. Remember, pets are a big responsibility. For example, puppies need lots of exercise and training. They love to play and need a lot of attention. If you have a busy schedule, maybe a fish or a hamster would be a better fit. Setting up a comfortable home. Once you've chosen your pet, it's time to set up their new home. Make sure your pet has a cozy bed, fresh water, and the right food. For fish, you'll need a clean tank with a filter. For dogs and cats, a comfy bed and some toys will make them feel right at home. Don't forget to add some toys. Pets love to play, and toys help keep them happy and healthy. Feeding your pet. Feeding your pet the right food is super important. Dogs and cats need high-quality pet food with lots of nutrients. Fish need special fish food, and birds love seeds and fruits. Always make sure your pet has fresh water to drink. And remember, never give your pets human food without checking if it's safe for them. Some foods can be harmful to pets. Regular checkups and grooming. Just like us, pets need regular checkups with the vet to stay healthy. Make sure to take your pet for regular vet visits. Grooming is also important. Brush your pet's fur, clean their ears, and trim their nails. For fish, keep their tank clean and check the water quality regularly. Grooming helps keep your pet clean and comfortable. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your furry friend. Exercise and playtime. Pets need exercise and playtime to stay happy and healthy. Take your dog for walks, play fetch, or let them run in the yard. Cats love to chase toys and climb. Even small pets like hamsters need exercise. A hamster wheel is perfect for them. Playing with your pet is not only fun, but it also helps them stay active and prevents boredom. Taking care of a pet is a big responsibility, but it's also a lot of fun. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Little Kids TV.